All right, it's an old sticker. I was just gonna say, all right, because I knew Ms. Garza had been appointed to represent you. See, communication is key. They put this sticker on here. Defendant refused interview. I'm like,
See, that could have turned ugly real quick.
it could have, but I always communicate, so I want to know what's going on. We don't let things turn ugly in this court.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so are you all ready to proceed on the motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Knight was scared for a minute. He's like, what? That's not me. All right. Court is calling 2022 CR 8435, State of Texas versus Henry Knight Jr. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Gitterhand, Your Honor.
Defense?
Gospel for defense.
And are you Mr. Knight?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Knight, I'm showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Henry Knight Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 8435 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on February 21st, 2023 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 6 on or about the 4th day of May 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Henry Knight Jr., departed Bexar County without the written permission of the court and or the supervision officer in violation of condition number 6.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violations.
Any objection?
No objections.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 6, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 6 true. Is there proposed agreement?
There it is, Your Honor.
What are you requesting?
Adjudicate guilt, revoke the defendant off his probation and sentence him to 2 years in the Texas Department of Corrections.
All right, counsel, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Knight, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just give me one moment. All right, probation. On this case with Mr. Knight, was there any restitution to Marvin Trimble? Okay. All right, thank you. Then the court will follow your agreement, find you guilty, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. There's to be no contact with Marvin Trimble, Trimble. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Knight, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you, Mr. Knight?
Just turned 30.
All right, so you just turned 30 years old. You're going to prison for 2 years. Think about your life and think about where you want to be. If you continue on this path, you're going to wake up and you're going to find that you spent a majority of your life either in somebody's jail or at somebody's prison. I don't think anybody wakes up when they're in elementary school and say, when I grow up, I want to spend the rest of my life in prison, or I want to go to prison, or I want to go to somebody's jail. So you need to find that little boy who wanted to do something with his life, and you need to start doing that. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Thank you, Ms. Garza.
Thank you, Judge.
Good morning. How are you all doing today? Hi, it's always great to see you. How have you been doing?
Doing well, thank you very much.
You leave criminal law, then you come back.
I can't leave it.
I know, right? It's just the passion of it all.
It's the most fun.
It is. All right. So we have an interpreter here. And is your client a citizen?
He is not, Your Honor.
And I'm assuming you'll be handling that as well.
That is correct.
All right, do you have all the discovery?
I believe so.
We haven't done a discovery acknowledgement yet, Judge. What we'd like to do is get a reset. Hank Wilkins from the state.
Oh, we're not on the record.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't want to get in trouble with Diana.
No.
We'd like to get a reset for defense counsel to give you the information about the defendant's immigration status
Okay.
and potential consequences of a felony plea, Judge.
All right. And can you tell me how long is this going to take? Don't say 45 days.
60.
Oh, no.
The issue is that I have a trial coming up, Your Honor,
Mhm.
two back-to-back in. Hayes
Don't say
County, San
misdemeanor
Marcos.
court.
No.
Okay.
Forget it. Serious felonies.
All right. All right. So on this case, because I see this case has been on the court's docket since August, Ms. Ferguson, give them a 45-day reset, and that will be the final date for any immigration purposes. And on this date, when you come back, state you need to be prepared to tender an offer.
Yes, ma'am. We have tendered an offer. It might be impacted by whatever the immigration.
Okay. All right. So I'm just going to say, be prepared to tender an offer, whatever counter offers on that date. And then it's going to be a quick turnaround for a plea deadline date and then maybe trial.
Understood, Your Honor.
All right, November 14th. All right, see you all then.
Judge, I'm sorry. My trial in Hayes County begins on November 13th. It's a jury trial.
All right, Normie, can you set it the week of November 6th,
Yes, I can do November 9th.
November 9th?
Time works.
All right. And if you will sign the reset form, then you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Of a video from inside the store,
Okay,
and he doesn't have it in his discovery, it doesn't look like, so we're gonna try to work on that. I would request just a short reset, Judge, maybe a week or two. So
all right. When you say a week or two, how much?
two.
All right, 2
just in
weeks.
case.
All
If I
right.
get it sooner, I'll come back to court and have it brought over.
All right, so Mr. Garcia, your attorney is asking for a 2-week reset. I'm going to give him a 2-week reset so that he can perhaps find discovery and we'll see where it is. If he wants to come back sooner than that, he can just let the court know and you'll be brought over sooner. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 2-week reset on Jeremy Ray Garcia? All right, so we'll be back on October 23rd.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank
And
you.
if I get an answer sooner, I'll get him brought back over.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take care.
Mr. Coons. All right, so this is a case where Mr. Torres entered a plea to count 2 and count 3. He entered that plea on April 3rd. Then we came back because defense filed a motion to withdraw the plea. And then the defense said he believed his client wasn't competent. So the court had informed the defense that they needed to file a competency motion. That was filed. And now they're scheduled for a competency jury trial in Judge Carruthers Court. So I'm assuming the doctor found him competent. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, he did.
But they're asking for a competency jury trial. And I'm showing that that's scheduled for November 9th. Is that correct, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so Ms. Ferguson, on this case, usually competency trials in Judge Carruthers Court, it only takes a day. So, Ms. Ferguson, we're going to set this for November 10th. I'm sorry, not November 10th. November 10th, because we'll probably be in jury trial anyway. So we're going to set this for November 10th at 9 a.m. And at that time, the court will make a ruling on your client's request to withdraw his plea.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You'll get a reset form, then you're excused
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused, Your Honor?
after you sign the reset form.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. So I'm assuming his previous active warrant has been taken care of.
Yes, Judge.
All right. And your tie is now pocket where?
It is this morning, Judge, and once I realized my neck had that wrong, I should have called.
Ah, that's bad. All right, so what is happening on this case?
Judge, the state has tendered an offer to Mr. Carlos this morning. This is our first appearance. Mr. Carlos does have some other cases. He also has another attorney. We would like to have an opportunity to discuss it.
All right, is this attorney misdemeanor or what?
Felony and Mr. Carlos is a pending DWI. Is it third?
All right, and that's misdemeanor court.
Third offense.
Oh, so where is that?
That's it hasn't been, I think it's pre-indictment.
Yeah,
Judge.
so
It may be in the report. But Mr. Carlos has retained George Sharman.
All right. Criminal Trial Division on Leonardo Carlos. He has this case, plus he has a pending DWI third. All right, so just so you know, the ranges of punishment are the same. So there's nothing driving the bus here. So this attorney has his hands on the steering wheel in a different car, and your other attorney has their hands on a steering wheel in a different car. So the train is not going to stop moving on this case because we're waiting for something else in the DWI. Do you understand? So state has tendered an offer. Ms. Ferguson, on this case, set it for a plea deadline date in 3 weeks, please. All right, your plea deadline date is going to be October 30th. At that time, you need to let the court know whether or not you're accepting this plea. Do you understand? All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge. And one other thing, pending any objection by the state or any questions by the court, Mr. Carlos is indigent. He has GPS as a condition of bond. He has requested I approach and ask the court to waive his GPS fees.
Oh, I'll ask that fees are waived or deferred. If you'll pull the, oh, get you.
I had coffee this morning, Judge. Not enough.
Sure. All right. Is there anything else?
Nothing else, Your Honor.
All right. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Ryan.
Victor Romero Rodriguez. Thank you. Just have a seat. Your attorney will be here shortly. Norma, is Mr. Meadows going to be here or no? Oh, okay. So, and I do realize you were recently appointed. So where are we on this case?
Judge, state's made an offer.
Okay. And are there any outstanding cases? Just this?
My understanding is just this, Judge.
Okay.
I think, to my understanding as well, it's just this case here,
There's what?
just this case here,
Okay. Are there other cases?
not to my knowledge.
Okay. Oh, I'm just asking. I have no inside information.
I was about to say, wait a minute.
I'm always wondering. All right. So I'm going to give you a plea deadline date. Because this is a state jail felony, it's going to be a quick turnaround for a plea deadline date. Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
can you recall this in 2 weeks?
And Judge, I was mistaken. I just did see there was an at-large case that has been filed, but it was going to be taken into consideration as a part of this plea deal.
All right.
Or plea offer.
All right. Ms. Ferguson. Actually, can you recall this next week for the plea deadline date, please? All right, October 12th. At that time, you need to let the court know whether or not you're accepting the plea that's been offered. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll bring you back on October 12th.
Thank you, Judge.
Is he going to be bonding out?
I'm trying to, if I can get a bond reduction, I can.
Oh, you'll have to have a hearing on that. Norma, if you can write him a reset form for October 12th. All right, thank you. All right, so where are we on this case?
I am asking for a little bit more time to go over discovery with my client and also to confer with the co-defendant's attorney that we can make some decisions and see about what we can negotiate. If anything.
All right, who is the co-defendant's attorney?
Judy Wemmer.
Okay. All right, state, has an offer been tendered?
No, an offer has not been submitted because she still wants to go over some of the information with her client.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on this case, give me a 30-day reset and state on that day you'll need to be prepared to tender an offer. Okay.
We'll get it.
All right, we'll come back on November 6th.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Norma. Can I see the file on Zachary Garcia? Zachary Garcia? If you'll come forward, please.